Okay everyone, lesson 6.5, multiplying polynomials and the FOIL method. So we should all be very comfortable with the concept of distributing. Whenever you see a number outside a set of parentheses, you are going to distribute it to everything inside the parentheses. So 5 times x is 5x, and then 5 times minus 3. There's a minus sign in the middle. So you distribute that 3 as really negative 3. So 5 times negative 3 is negative 15. And you write your final answer like that. Now, that is a monomial times a binomial. One term times two terms. What happens if you have a binomial times a binomial, aka two terms times two terms, like this one right here? Well, you do the same exact thing, except now you're going to be double distributing. So we have two terms here and here, and then two terms here and here. We're going to double distribute. So we're going to distribute this x to the first x, and then we're going to distribute the x to the negative 3. Okay, so x times x is x squared. X times negative 3 is negative 3x. And then we're going to distribute the second thing, this plus 2, to both things in the second parentheses. So plus 2 times x is plus 2x. And then plus 2 times negative 3 is actually going to be negative 6. Positive 2 times negative 3 is negative 6. So now we multiplied two terms times two terms, and we got 4 results. Now the last step is to combine your like terms. If you see any like terms, which we will always have like terms as such, so negative 3x plus positive 2x is going to be negative 1x. And then the other things you just write, you bring down and write them in your final answer as such. X squared minus 1x minus 6. Okay? Another term for this is called foiling. See the FOIL pattern? That's just a shortcut of remembering the steps. FOIL, F-O-I-L, stands for first. F for FOIL, then outer for the O, then the inner for the I, and then the last for the L. FOIL, F-O-I-L. So you're doing the first times the first, which is this red arrow here. See this red arrow? The first times the first, and then the outers are the blue arrow. The outer terms, the 3x is on the outside and the 5 is on the other outside. And then the inners are this green arrow. The inners are the 4 and the x. And then the lasts are this purple arrow. The 4 and the 5 are the lasts. Okay, so it's just another way to help you remember how to do the multiplying. Let's try another one. So FOIL, F-O-I-L. So the firsts we're going to do in red. The firsts are the 2x times the 2x, which if you multiply 2x times 2x, that's 4x squared. Okay. Then the outers we're going to do in blue. The outers are the 2x and the positive 1. So 2x times 1 is 2x, positive. Then the inners we're going to do in green. The inners are these two inside terms. So 3 times 2x is 6x, positive 6x. And then the lasts we're going to do in purple. The lasts are the 3 and the 1. So plus 3 times plus 1 is plus 3. And then we could combine our like terms in the middle and write our final answer. 2x plus 6x is 8x. And we bring the other stuff down, and we are done.